watching our video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to enable it. Like, comment and share.
Hi friends, welcome back to Afza's world. Today I would like to introduce this special Yemeni Zurbian rice. First you have to take 4 onions and slice it. We need to fry this onion first. It's very important item to make this rice. I will show you in video where you have to use this. Now the fried onion is ready. Same oil which you used for frying onions can be used to fry cashew and kismis. Now these items are ready. To marinate the chicken, take 1 cup curd. Use the 1/3 of the fried onion, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, red chilli powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon, 2 tablespoon Arabic masala, pepper 1 tablespoon, Cumin powder 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Add required salt and mix it well. Take 1.5 kg chicken and put them in the mixture and marinate for 15 to 30 minutes. To prepare rice, take some cardamom, bay leaves, cinnamon, clove and boil water. Add oil and salt. For 1.5 kg chicken, 4 cups soaked rice we need to use. Rice just need to be cooked half. Take 1 more pot to cook the chicken and the rice. Pour some oil and butter. Add marinated chicken and add 2 big sliced potato. Cook it for 10 minutes. After that, add green chilli and 1/3 of fried onion. Then add rice. Add last part of onion. Add mixture of rose water and yellow color. Add cashew and kismis. Then add coriander and mint leaf. Dum the rice for half hour. Now it's time to open. Wow, it smells and looks wonderful. Before serving, mix the masala and rice evenly. You must try this, it's very tasty. If you like this video, like, comment and share and subscribe to our channel.